Thing you can make as a chiropractor is you got a big strong dude like this and thinking, oh, you got to use lots of force on them just because they're a big strong dude. You really got to listen to their muscles, the patient, and what they like or don't like, plus know what their x-rays look like. Adjusting him manually in his neck would hurt him because he's probably lifted one or two things in his life that's a little heavy for him. Maybe 1 or 200,000 things, right?
Yeah, that's what brought me here in the first place.
Y'all surviving the heat?
Yes.
Good.
Hiding from it. So.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Turn your head to the left for me. So what does this feel like to you?
Like a full auto AK.
That's about as
It's
much
not
kick.
painful, it's just the way it hits you, you know? But I can sure see some benefit from it, or can feel some benefit from it.
Good.
Hopefully when you say a full auto AK, you're on the
I'm
shooting
on-
end,
I'm
not the
on-
receiving end.
exactly,
Yeah.
I'm on the dealing end of that. Not the paper target end.